back. It's now time to move to the last on-body routine, and that's hooping around the ankles. Remember to warm up. Let's get started. So first, step inside your hoop. All right? Bring one right leg forward. Lift the hoop from left ankle from the back or your toes like this and place it right in front of your ankle. It should be like this, not going out of your toe, right? You're locking it by the ankle in front. Just like this. Perfect. Now, make sure that your body posture is straight. While you're looking down, you're not looking down with your head facing down because it changes the whole body posture, all right? Stand straight and just look down with your eyes, right? Take your left leg forward and place the back of the ankle right here so that it can feel the contact point. Now with this left leg, you're going to push the hoop backwards and then see the hoop spinning. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So this is what we do with the left push backwards, and the same can be repeated from the right leg. Let me show you how. Place the hoop on the left leg now, like this. Make sure it's closer right here. You'll take your right leg and the back of the ankle right here. You're going to push it backwards, right? Take your hands, put it around your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. This time, come a little in front, okay? So take the hoop and place it on the ankle here and push it backwards. Let it take a few spins. You can juggle, go from the other side and practice just taking your leg side to side without leaving the contact of the back of your ankle, right? Don't look down with your head, look down with your eyes, right here. Perfect. So just maintaining that contact, not taking the leg too far away because this is what will happen, right? Place the hoop at the back of the ankle, push it around. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, how can you lift the hoop from down to up? That's what I was talking about, right? So let me show you. 1, 2, 3, and on the count of 5, I'm going to lift it up. 3, 4, 5. I'm going to bend forward. When the hoop's coming back, I'm just going to hold this side, taking my palm inside the hoop, not outside, okay? Inside the hoop, lifting my right knee up and up, right? So you're going to take the hoop side to side, maintaining a straight posture and out. Just like this. While hooping around your ankles, make sure to wear a thick pair of socks that cover your ankles well. See you in the next video.